Welcome and thank you for joining me for this video on common newborn care tips and tricks for new parents. Being a new parent can be overwhelming, but with the right information and guidance, you can feel more confident in taking care of your little one. 1. Feeding. Breastfeeding or formula feeding are both great options for your baby. If breastfeeding, aim to nurse every 2 to 3 hours or as often as your baby wants. If formula feeding, follow the instructions on the packaging and prepare it safely. Burp your baby after feeding to help prevent gas and discomfort. 2. Diapering. Change your baby's diaper every 2 to 3 hours or as soon as it is wet or soiled. Use a wipe or warm, damp cloth to clean your baby's bottom. Apply diaper cream to prevent diaper rash. Make sure the diaper is snug but not too tight to avoid leaks. 3. Bathing. Until the umbilical cord stump falls off, give your baby sponge baths. Use warm water and mild baby soap. Gently wash your baby's face, body, and hair. Be sure to support your baby's head and neck at all times. 4. Sleeping. Put your baby to sleep on their back to reduce the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS. Use a firm, flat sleep surface and avoid putting any loose bedding or toys in the crib. Swaddling can help your baby feel secure and calm. Place your baby in a safe sleep environment, such as a bassinet or crib. 5. Soothing. Your baby may cry for various reasons, including hunger, a dirty diaper, or being tired. Hold your baby close and offer soothing sounds and gentle movements. Offer a pacifier if your baby is not hungry. If your baby continues to cry, check for signs of illness and contact your pediatrician if necessary. Conclusion. Thank you for joining me for this video on common newborn care tips and tricks for new parents. Remember to take care of yourself as well as your baby. If you have any concerns or questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your pediatrician or a trusted healthcare provider. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support and hope you found this video helpful.